what we're going to do is just take an object. I actually saw this on Google, an image like this, and it's awesome. It's an awesome premise to explore soft and hard shadows. So it's like a structure that is backward like that, and right here here actually, sorry, it's not supposed to seal that off. So that line is not there, and we will get rid of that in a quick second. Then right here, go that far, put in a bunch of stairs. So we have a structure there. L-shaped structure, and we have stairs on the side here. Of course, you could continue to put in anything you wish beside that. Perhaps a doorway here. I think so. That's part of a structure. And now what we have is, so soft and hard is what it really means is that areas that are away from the light cast harder shadows. So for instance, right here, that far into the stairs, putting in a hard shadow. Right, this shape here is going to cast its own hard shadow right here. Pull that out gradually, and we come down to this right here, casting a shadow depending on, again, the intensity of light in the back. Coming along that much, I think it'll just do. And then we will also make that a hard shadow. Let me use this thicker pencil. So we fill in the dark shadows first, and wherever we think that there will be a darker tone, we just fill it out and try to make it as uniform as possible. Now this is a quick sketch, so it will not be as uniform, but the patches of dark and the lighter, comparatively lighter shading will show the difference of which is supposed to be pitch black and what is supposed to be just a slight gray tone. And then we just put in some light tones to finish this off, and try to make the lines as even as we can when we are putting the cross hatches in. And I'm going to use the very revered shortcut of smudging to just have it look more pleasant as we go to complete this quick hard light and soft light shading exercise. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.